Being changed, my naga. Something's being altered. I'm still talking meta, man. We're talking metaverse, right? Get that drop before we talked about this metaverse movie. I'm just looking at this origin and etymologies, because we're just now talking after, right? So a metaverse, meta, it's bringing us into an after, right? So like a meta life is an afterlife, someplace behind, among who? Who, where are they bringing us, and who are they bringing us among? Between, right? Like we got last time, a space between. They liken that to the space between the eyes. That's the, one we got for this med topic. A space between. A space between the eyes. Right? Oh boy, do you see clearly, my naga. I mean, I'm just talking about something being changed, man. Something's being altered when we talk metaverse. So before you just jump into it, know that you're jumping into an altered, changed reality. It is not a game, because on a conscious level, in between your eyes, right, in between your energy, they call it higher. But something in between is changing. Can you control it? Look how social media has changed the world. Imagine what the metaverse is about to do. They say they're bringing us higher. I say most high over everything. They say they're bringing us beyond. I say, where are we going? Nah, man. We are anchored. We are firm, fixed, and movable. We are choosing up so we can, be on the front lines to defend our reality, not go into an altered one. Digital currency, digital this, everything's altered. And who's waiting for you up in there? Who is in the midst of, in common with, by means of, between, in pursuit of, quest of. My naga, you on a mission and don't even know it, but the AI do, the alchemical serpent do. After, next, after. It ain't the robots, the AI coming next. Don't they got next? And who's behind it? In compounds, most often meaning change of place, condition. Yeah, you're in the metaverse where it's all happening. The entire condition of the con is being changed. Ain't no more searching and seeking out reality, man. You're in an altered place, a changed. This is from the pie, me in the middle. You someplace in between. You lukewarm, dog. You lukewarm. The notion of changing places with probably led to the senses of change of place, order, or nature. So if nature's being changed, the nature of something's being changed, and the nature, pertains to the creator, that which the creator has created is nature, natural. Then the change of that is the change of the order. The code is being changed. The code is being changed, which was a principal meaning of the Greek word when used as a prefix. Okay, I mean, the third modern sense higher than transcending, man. Overarching, dealing with the most fundamental matters according to whose foundation, whose fundamentals, whose order, because the order and the nature are being altered. We're just talking meta. So they make this word look all cute. Metaverse, a metaverse, a metaverse, my naga. They trying to take you higher, higher. They are overarching you over reality, transcending order. That's why you have what? Chaos. And that's why we got this drop with this metaverse movie. It's everything, everywhere, all at once. It's all happening. That's the name of it. Everything, everywhere, all at once. It is the metaverse movie where chaos reigns. Chaos reigns because they have changed and altered the order. Hey, stay up, suit up, choose up, and dodge all hijacks at all costs. Stay planted in our reality so we can choose up with the greatest, most high over everything. They want to take us higher, huh? They want to take us beyond. We say MHOE, KTC, Allahu